Hello, dear friends. In this video, we will take you on a magical and inspiring journey into the world of the power of silence. We will tell you a unique and captivating story about the main character, Mr. Zen, a silent and wise Buddhist monk who possesses exceptional abilities to use silence for positive influence, and to awaken inner serenity in people. Get ready to discover the hidden power and profound transformation that silence can bring to our lives. In a magical village where peace and tranquility reign, there lived Mr. Zen, a Buddhist monk with exceptional abilities. Mr. Zen was a meditative man, with the ability to use silence to soothe emotions and make people feel inner peace. Mr. Zen was born into a humble family, and began learning the arts of a Buddhist monk from an early age. He lived in a small temple on top of a high mountain, where he could immerse himself in the sound of the wind and the beauty of the surrounding nature. Mr. Zen spent long hours in meditation and deep silence, searching for inner truth and spiritual peace. He believed that silence is the language of the soul, and when a person speaks with silence, he reaches the depths of the hearts of other people. One day, a young girl named Zen arrived in the village, distinguished by a strong silence similar to Mr. Zen's power. Mr. Zen discovered that Zen had an exceptional ability to calm the environment and bring peace to the people around her. Mr. Zen realized that he could become Zen's teacher and help her understand and use her power correctly. Mr. Zen began teaching Zen the arts of silence and deep meditation. He taught her how to listen to the silence around her and use it as a tool for communication and positive influence on others. Zen gradually realized that her power was not just an individual ability, but that it could affect the entire community through her ability to create change and deep communication. Over time, Zen and Mr. Zen became a cohesive team working together to teach people the power of silence and meditation. They organized workshops and lectures for the local community, where people learned how to use silence to apologize for past mistakes and forgive others. In the end, Mr. Zen and Zen were able to make a significant impact on the lives of the people around them. People discovered the importance of silence and meditation in achieving inner peace and deep communication, and began to apply Mr. Zen's teachings in their daily lives. The village changed completely, as safety and cooperation between people flourished. Disagreements and superficial conflict stopped, and were replaced by constructive dialogue and mutual understanding. The village turned into a society dominated by peace and tolerance, where respect and love prevail among all its members. And so, the story of the power of silence, Zen's main story, came to an end. The story focused on the power of silence and meditation in achieving positive impact and deep communication in people's lives. It taught us that silence is not weakness, but a powerful tool that we can use to achieve change and inner peace. When we speak with silence, our voice reaches the farthest hearts and affects the lives of others in a positive way. In the end, you will leave this story feeling inspired and energized to explore the power of silence in your daily lives. You will realize that silence is not a weakness, but a real strength that you can utilize to achieve deep connection and inner peace. You will discover that you can influence others and create change through silence and contemplation. Prepare for a thought-provoking and meaningful journey into the world of the power of silence, and get ready to learn how to use silence as a tool for positive impact in your lives and the lives of others. Follow this inspiring and eye-opening video, and immerse yourself in the realm of silence to uncover your hidden abilities. I hope you enjoyed and benefited from the story. Let us always remember the power and importance of silence in our daily lives. Thank you for watching and engaging in this inspiring journey.